So today's lesson is about how Mary rejoices. Do you guys know what the word rejoice means? Does anybody know what the word rejoice means? It's not something we use every day. It's not a normal thing. We talk about being happy. We talk about how much we love something. We give it a thumbs up. We say high five. We really like that. It's totally awesome. That would be an 80s term. You know, Pastor Lynn is an 80s teenager, so those were the terms I would use. What would you use for the word rejoice? Rejoice means to show or feel that you are very, very, very happy about something. And the lady that we're talking about today is Mary. Mary was Jesus's mother. She found out that she was going to have a baby, and she rejoiced with it. She rejoiced in the good news that she was going to have a baby, the Son of God. And here's the crazy thing. She had just really found out that she was getting married, and so it was really odd because she was brand new and wasn't even married yet. And yet the angel came to her. An angel came to Mary. Here, somebody come hold this. And said, Mary, you're going to have a baby, and it's going to be the Son of God. And at first, Mary was really scared, like crazy scared. Here, somebody hold Mary. Something inside Mary's spirit just rejoiced. She was so excited. She was going to have the Son of God. And then, what every mother thinks about, one of the very first things that happened, see, I've had 3 children. So one of the first things I found out was when I was going to have a boy or when I was going to have a girl. What do I name the baby? What am I going to name the baby? Your parents chose something very specific for you. My mother chose a very specific name for me. God chose a very special name for his son, Jesus. Here, somebody hold Jesus. Mary was so excited she had to tell somebody. So she went to her relative Elizabeth. And as she was telling Elizabeth about it, she shared the whole story with Elizabeth. Here, somebody come hold this. The angel Gabriel spoke to the woman, Mary, who lived in Nazareth. She was going to marry a man named Joseph. The Lord is with you, the angel said. You will give birth to a baby. You will call him Jesus. She was telling her cousin Elizabeth all about this and how amazing it was. And when she went to go visit, Mary sang praises to God. She said, my soul magnifies the Lord. My spirit rejoices with God, my Savior. Isn't that amazing? That scary news was something that she rejoiced in. God sent his only son, Jesus, for you and for me. And that's worth being really, really happy about.